everyone, I'm back. This is just my fit for my, I'm just going out shopping, so yeah, this is my fit. Everything is literally from Uniqlo actually. Yeah, my entire outfit is from Uniqlo except for the boots obviously and the bag. The bag you can get it from Yes Style. The shoes are just some, you know, like off-brand combat boots, but yeah. Whoa. You wear like full poster. What the hell? This purse is pretty nice. So, you know. My favorite house moving couple. So much funky love. Oh my god. What I bought today, the Bobbi Brown lip color in Rum Raisin 32, MAC matte lipstick in Chile, and I got this as an extra. It's a pigment. I'm not sure what the color is, so but yeah. So this is MAC Chile, which is really pretty. It's also what I'm wearing right now. Yep. But it's so pretty. It's like a red, but it's kind of like orangey in a way. I don't know, the camera's not doing it justice. And the Bobbi Brown lip color is, if I can get it out, it's so sleek, the packaging. Like it actually makes me seem like an adult, like for real. Is in Rum Raisin, and it's a kind of similar color, but it's more brown. So it's really pretty. And I got this pigment thingy, but I'm not sure what actually it is. And I bought it at an outlet store, so it's like really cheap. I bought it at DFO. It's in Copper Sparkle, and it's really pretty too. Just gonna see. It's like a mini size, I'm guessing, but it's so tiny. Oh, it's very, very cute. And yeah, that's all for today. But all these chocolates. Có nó mâm đó. Có nó, mình có cookie mommy cake, 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 cake. I don't like that. Or cherry. Things spin like hai ấy thế. Hot pot. Hello. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I am going to redecorate this my wall area. I already took down all the things that I used to have, which were pretty much like credit cards and stuff. So I'm redesigning it to make it much much neater and better and cuter for pretty much the new year, because I won't be here because I'll be going on a family trip. So I'm just gonna make it all nicer and pretty so that it conveys the new year. Yeah! So let's go. I already redesigned this area, so it's just like this. Before, my washi tape tray was like on my shelf, so I decided to put it here, and so I put all my pens and stuff here as well, and I'm putting this here to block out the unnecessary stuff, my Snoopy case. And then I have this light here. I'm not sure where to put this exactly, but yeah, it's going here. So now I'm just going to redesign this wall area and make it look pretty. So let's go. Hi everyone, I'm back. This is my OOTD today. I'm going to the art gallery. Everything I'm wearing is just from pretty much everywhere, but I'll go into more in depth later. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Oh my god, they're selling plates and stuff. Someone come up like crazy day and say that we can have these. I'm just kidding. Oh, no, I didn't. This is a new stuff? Oh, it's a set of 3. Oh, but there's 3. Oh, teachers. Yeah. Babe, it's fine. Good postcards. Please let there be some good postcards. Or not. Or dead ass. Oh, that one's nice. I feel like that one, I already have one at home. That's the one I have at home. Oh, this one's nice. Yeah. Glasses. They're really cute. Does this smell nice? Oh, it does. Babe. Oh, this is cute as. How much is it? But it's so nice. Just gonna see if there's like a cheaper one at the depository. Okay. Babe, do you need some new cutlery? This cool picture pattern, but it's so neon that I can't. Oh, they have socks too. Oh, the hat's cute. Oh, these socks are cute. Oh wow, they even have Una. It's so soft. Babe, look at the cat. It's just really all good cats. Oh yeah. Look. Activities for kids. Look how cute this one is.
It's like a fill out.
Yeah, it's really cute. Cool. I really miss these ones. I remember when I was really young, I really liked drawing maps and stuff.
Yeah, you know do all this stuff.
There you go.
There's literally some.
They're so cute.
Okay. What do they do?
What do they do?
I just read the front page.
Mm.
I was like,
It's so neat. Does it smell nice? That one smells nice.
also it's strong if I put it too close.
And it's only $30 for candles.
Seeds.
And then another one. Okay, let's go. Funny. Oh my god, look, there's Christmas gifts. Oh, look at those gifts. Let's look. Oh my god, they have a whole ass calendar. If only they had a miniature one. Yeah.
I look at it and I keep thinking it's the same as yours, but it's squishy.
Hey, look. They're so tiny. So many.
It's for milk.
And it's just for milk.
This one says yogurt.
Yogurt and milk. This is for alcohol.
Freezing. Just gonna switch hands.
You want to switch?
No, I'm just switching hands.
I want to get this one.